In today's tutorial, we're going to show you how to create a link between Liftoff and one of your suppliers using the Promo Standards 1.0 purchase order component. First, sign into your Liftoff admin dashboard and select Products, and then select Vendors from the menu. Next, select a vendor you wish to integrate. For this example, we'll use Sanmar. Please note that vendor integrations are handled at the location level, given the flexibility required to handle some multi-vendor location requirements. Now we'll choose Promo Standards 1.0 from our Integrations menu. Plug in your supplied account number and password provided to you by your vendor. For this example, we'll use test credentials. Next, put in the endpoints for both the PO and pricing configuration text boxes. They are both required for some Promo Standards integrations. Once you have completed this step, it is important that you test your integration. You may confirm successful integration by working with your vendor. Please hold off making inquiries to the Launchpad team until you have communicated any issues with your vendor first. It may be that your credentials with a vendor may need adjusting. And that's it for today's tutorial. Until next time.